guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transform this puff pastry dough from the grocery store into some really high quality bakery style pastries. So let's get started.
Hear me, I'm calling. Catch me, I'm falling.
Alright guys, for recipe number 1, I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate croissant or pain à chocolat, as they say in Paris. Roll this sheet of puff pastry a little bit so it's a tad bit bigger than it came. See these lines that go down the sides? I'm just going to follow them and cut straight down. Place this to the side. Here I have some dark chocolate. Alright, melt it down so the chocolate gets silky smooth, and then we're going to pop it into a Ziploc bag. Take the measurement of what the puff pastry was. Alright, place these in the freezer just for a second, and they will harden. 2 tablespoons of water. And this is our egg wash. We're going to brush it on all the pastries today. Our chocolate batons are ready. Okay guys, take your baton and place it so that it's peeking out of each edge. Fold your puff pastry over so you have a nice little square. One more baton, fold the pastry over and fold it underneath so that it doesn't open. Wow, look at these guys, they're so big. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make these blueberry cheese Danish. You could just make them cheese Danish if you like, or you could change up the fruit. You could use fresh or frozen. It's just really up to you. These are wonderful. Roll this out just a little bit bigger. Go ahead and follow the lines again, and then right down the middle. Okay guys, take a sharp knife and cut some squares inside the squares, but do not go all the way down. Make sure it doesn't hit the other side. This is our little barrier so that the filling doesn't escape. The cream cheese is room temp, but if you forgot, you could just mix this with your hands and then it'll become room temp like in a second. This is vanilla extract and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Here I have some lemon zest. This is optional. It adds a lot of freshness to the cheese Danish, especially with those blueberries or any fruit that you're gonna be adding. Once you have this smooth paste, you're gonna put a little spoonful on each of the little pastry. Next, I have some blueberries here. These are just frozen classic blueberries with a tablespoon of cornstarch and sugar. Here I have some crystal sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle these on the sides, just to give it that really pretty look. Ooh. These blueberry cheese Danishes need a little glaze, in my opinion, so I'm gonna put some powdered sugar with a few teaspoons of milk just to get a nice glazy consistency. There we go. Now for the bear claw, these are so fun. And in my opinion, they're just the best out of all of them. That almond taste, oh my gosh. It has almond paste inside and it's just like no other pastry. There we go, we have a nice long surface. Go straight down the lines that the little pastry has. Add some of your egg wash glue to the lines. Almond flour, egg, butter, sugar, almond extract, and a dash or 2 of cinnamon. And this is what you call almond cream. This is so good, guys. If you slather this on brioche bread and then bake it in the oven, oh, it is absolutely to die for. It's called Bostock pastry. I'll leave the link at the end of this video if you want to check that recipe out. Don't go too heavy. This filling was for 2 sheets of puff pastry. Obviously, I'm just using 1 sheet because I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing with all these pastries today. Seal it shut. All right, so make sure your seal is down. Line these up. Cut the ends just so they look clean. And now we're gonna cut straight down the middle and we're gonna cut little slits, but not going all the way through the pastry. Nice little egg wash. And for this topping, we're just gonna add some sliced almonds. Ooh, I love bear claws. This is probably my favorite. Make it in a U shape. Goodbye, little bear claw. Look at these guys. They are so cute. Last but not least, the morning bun. These are really easy. The smell of these when they're baking in the oven are just insane. Here I have some room temp butter. I'm just gonna take a tablespoon of it. I'm gonna slather it all over the sheet. Some sugar and about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm gonna mix this together. Sprinkle this on top so that it has a nice even layer. I'm not gonna be using all the sugar. We're gonna save this sugar for after when we roll the hot rolls into it. Now take this long side and just start rolling it up. Cut 2-inch pieces. And we're gonna take the end piece and connect it with another, just to make this guy bigger. Look at that. Here I have my jumbo size muffin pan. This is actually a cinnamon roll pan. I'll leave the link down below where I got it from. I'm gonna give it a little sprinkling of that sugar, and this is also very well buttered. Place your little morning buns on top. If you see this guy, just give it a little pinch. These ones win the award for smelling the best. You're gonna take all that leftover cinnamon sugar and give it a little dusting on top while they're still hot. All right guys, here I have all my pastries. It's time for the best part. Taste test time. Look at the bottom, super golden brown and crispy deliciousness. I have crumbs going everywhere. Look it! Oh my gosh. This cinnamon roll smelled the best out of all of them. That's one of the best things I've ever tried in my life. Okay. Next, blueberry Danish. Blueberry cheese Danish. The layers in here look so good. This thing weighs nearly nothing. Oh, this tastes just like blueberry cheesecake, hands down. Chocolate croissant or pain au chocolat. I wanted to show you how funny this one came out. I don't know why it puffed up so much. It's pretty funny. The melted chocolate, always a winner. Definitely have to use dark chocolate on this one to get that real authentic taste. Pure heaven. And last but not least, guys, the bear claw. I know this one's gonna be my favorite because I just love almond anything. Look at all that filling. Cheers. Straight up marzipan taste. Wow, you guys, all of these tasted exactly like they came from the bakery, if not better. Which one was your favorites? Be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed all these recipes, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.